Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of Cooking Candy where I get to show you how to make sweet banana milkshake in 3 minutes with only 3 ingredients. First, you're going to need a bunch of sweet bananas. I got mine from Mabokoni farms. You can check their location in the description box below. 500 milliliters of fresh whole milk and rose sherbet, that is a concentrated syrup that gives flavor to your milkshake. We begin by chopping our bananas into small pieces and preparing 3 to 5 tablespoons of the syrup and having our milk ready to go. Empty the bananas into the blender, followed by the syrup and the milk. In case this milkshake is too sweet for you, then you can add a double portion of milk or half a glass of water to your liking. Blend everything together and enjoy. Not only does the syrup add flavor, but it also gives color to your milkshake. Wow, would you look at that? Our milkshake is good to go and now we can serve into our glasses. If it's a hot sunny day, you can add some crushed ice cubes or chill this shake in the fridge for some time. If you're a fun, colorful person like me, you can garnish this shake with a slice of fruit or some chocolate sprinkles. Yay! Bananas are a good source of vitamin B6, which helps in the production of red blood cells, fiber for digestion, potassium in the maintenance of a healthy heart and blood pressure, manganese, which is good for skin by the formation of collagen, and bananas overall gives energy minus the fats and cholesterol. So today, enjoy a glass of banana shake in 3 minutes with only 3 ingredients. Stay happy, stay healthy.